Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Trucking Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2013 Hino 268A. Stock number is 42150 if you'd like to take a look at our website. Before we jump into that video, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button so every time we put a new piece of equipment on, you'll be notified and you'll be able to take a look at it. As we said, this is a 2013 Hino 268A. It is an air brake and air ride suspension truck. We bring our trucks in from our customers' trade-ins or from our leasing departments. We go through them to a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, bodies, lift gates. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a QC, test drive, get them cleaned up and put on a line for you. This particular truck is a 25950 GVW. It is under CDL. It's got the 6-cylinder Hino diesel in it, Allison automatic transmission, 26-foot box. And on top of that 150-point check, we have gone through, done the engine, oil filter, fuel and air filters have been done. The DPF filter has been cleaned. This truck is set up for AGWS and the WEP program through Hino. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As you climb into the truck, plenty of grab handles. This truck does have a air suspension captain seat, bench seat, so you got room for three guys. It's got that great long distance view, plus the up close view is pretty good with the sloped hood of the Hino has. It's got the Allison automatic, as we said, and the diesel engine in it. This truck's got AM, FM, CD, air conditioning, cruise control. And the large mirrors on the doors are powered, so your guys can adjust the large mirrors from the driver's seat, which is a great safety feature. And we also stated that it is an air brake truck. Even though this truck is a 2013, it was very well taken care of, very low miles. So it'd be a nice, safe, clean ride for your guys to get out and make you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. A lot of people aren't aware of this, but Hino is Toyota's commercial vehicle. So when you buy the Hino, you're getting Toyota's dependability and reliability that they're known for worldwide. This truck has got a 26-foot aluminum van body on it, in really good shape. It's got a 90-gallon fuel tank on it. It's got good tires, as we said. It does have the air ride suspension in it, which a lot of people's contracts are looking for. It's got a really nice level ride aluminum platform. It's 80 inches wide, 60 inches deep, so it's really big to get your skids, pallet jacks, or whatever else you're going to need to put on there. It is power up and power down. Comes up to the top really good. As we said, this is a 26-foot. It's 103 tall, 102 wide. We've got the hardwood Apatong slats. It's got 3 rows of E-track in it, down both sides and across the front, which is really nice. It's got a good aluminum roof in it, several dome lights in here for those early morning, late afternoon deliveries. And the laminated hardwood floor in this truck is still in really good condition. And as we said, this is power up and it's also power down. So it's nice and stable when you have your load on it. Gets to the ground, sets down, so you can roll right off. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power not really knowing what they're needing. They know they need a delivery truck. We have the big 26-foot trucks like we have here. We got the smaller 14 6-footers too. Even though this truck's in really good shape, we can still wrap the body and the cab if you'd like with your name, your graphics, your designs, turning that fuel money to advertising money while your drivers are rolling down the road. Again, we've got a really nice 2013 Hino 268 air ride, air brake truck, very low mileage, has the extended warranty on it that you can purchase. Go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, and be sure to go to YouTube and hit that subscribe button and that like button so that way you're getting information every time we put new products on. Stick with us for a minute. We're going to tilt the hood on this truck, start it up, give you a little more intimate look at it, and as always, we appreciate your time.